Richo, we can't talk about blue cheese without pairing. You can pair it with pear. Tastes delicious.
I love pears.
And things like mushrooms. The great thing is this is a lovely vessel to just soak all that lovely cheesy goodness up.
I love mushrooms.
All right, so let's stuff those mushrooms.
Okay, we can
All
do
right,
that.
so I'm gonna get you to chop up the onion and some garlic here as well. I'm just gonna saute it off first. I'm actually gonna mix this in with the blue cheese because what I want you to do is when you take a bite of this lovely slow-cooked mushroom, all you experience is flavour.
I like flavour.
So in we go with that. I know you like flavour, hence why I've got some butter, because I do think as well it does absorb everything. Let's get a bit of butter in there because it does taste delicious with mushroom and onion and garlic. So
now I've done half an onion.
generous
Is that enough
amount
for you?
there. That's lovely.
Okay.
Whoa, that is a Richo-sized chunk I've used there. This is your day today.
Loving it, loving it.
I know.
Mushrooms, butter, cheese, onions,
I'll
garlic.
take some of
There we
that
go.
onion in there. I'll get you cracking on that garlic.
The rest of that?
too. Yes, please. A bit of that. We're going to let these saute for a little bit. Let's have a stir. Oh,
They smell great.
is there a better smell on earth? I tell you. That's home cooking. That's grounding. So I have some breadcrumbs just over here because I do love a breadcrumb crust
I like it.
as well. Now, we are going to end up baking this one, so we're just going to fry them off first, and then I'm going to show you a piece of equipment that you all need in your kitchen that will allow you to go from hob into the oven, which makes your life a lot easier.
Do you want me to chop that for you now?
Ah, yes, if you could
can do
chop
that.
that, that would be brilliant.
Nice and fine. Thyme and
Nice
rosemary
and fine.
go really well together, like
Thyme
a
and
forest
rosemary
floor.
are beautiful, and they go lovely with mushroom as well. So a nice amount of my river salt flakes,
In they go.
some cracked black pepper, and if you could be so kind as to grab some extra virgin olive oil there too, and be
All
pretty
there.
generous with that one. Yep. I'm just going to mix that. That's just going to give it a nice colour, and it's going to go nice and crispy
I like that.
when baked as well. Now, if you pass me that bowl there, these should be about done. We'll let them cool just a little in there.
They're red hot at the moment.
They are red hot. Now, I put so much butter in there, I don't need to do anything. I've got a great non-stick pan here as well. Now, I'm just going to fry a little each side of this one here. Now, what you can do is start crumbling that blue cheese into this one here.
How much do you want in there? Half of it? The whole lot?
The whole lot.
Wow.
Let's get the whole
That's my
lot
kind of recipe.
in there.
Oh,
I've been
my
hanging
goodness.
out with you too much, I
like
think.
it.
The butter, the blue cheese. I didn't say you could do that.
Oh.
That's fine.
Have a look over there.
Just got to let them do it sometimes, haven't I?
Delicious. It's like savoury chocolate.
So I just want you to mash that blue cheese into that one. We have our breaded crumb mix there too. That should be fine now to just spin over. Just want as well to get rid of any excess water. A mushroom does have a lot of water in it, so if any excess comes out, just drain that out because no one likes a soggy mushroom, do they?
Soggy mushrooms? No.
No one likes a soggy
Not here.
mushroom.
Not in this
Not,
kitchen.
not here. So we'll just let that fry a little bit. So we can turn that one off now.
Okay.
And I'm just going to get you, or I'll have a little go there. Just,
Ooh,
oh,
that.
this is going to be so tasty. So Adrian, I will let you just crumb any of these, and you can fill them to your heart's content, okay? I mean, this can feed quite a few.
So, Rosie,
That's
is your
it.
heart content right now?
It will be when those breadcrumbs are on there. Oh, it smells so good.
Is that what you're looking for like that?
Yes, perfect. That's it, yeah.
There's a lot of love in these mushrooms. I can
There's a
tell.
lot of love in that mushroom.
They're going to cook beautifully.
So I've got the oven at 180, and it just needs about 10 to 15 minutes in the oven.
But you can't put the handle in.
No, I cannot, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do, because it's ingenious, my Ingenio. So I'm just going to take the handle off, just like that, and I can put it back on when I'm ready to take it out.
Rosie, you're a genius.
Thank you. Isn't that smell unreal?
It's really strong. It's fantastic. I love
It is really strong. You can actually have these cold as well, but they're lovely and warmed from the oven.
I love it.
Oh, wow.
They look great.
Then we'll have another one here. It's amazing how much they shrink in size. It just tells you how much water is in mushrooms there. A few herbs.
A few spring onions on there as well.
Yes, please.
I like that.
And of course, we just have to tuck in and have a little taste.
I'm going to tuck
You do
straight
the
into that
honours,
one.
please.
There we go, straight into that one. Look at that.
How is it?
It packs a real punch, Rosie. For a little mushroom, it's got a lot of flavour. The blue cheese is all the way through it, and I love the crunchy breadcrumbs over the top of it. Packed full of herbs. It is a great dish. Not for the faint-hearted,
Yeah.
but a cracker.
For the cheese lover.